remember. Tool on my side just like by the bill. Hop on the beat and I flow like a river. Reach for these rocks, they get popped like a jigger. Put a hole in his space like a dimple. Middle fingers up yet to the system. If you don't know me, just call me mister. Blue diamonds, it look like a blister. I'm a strike, you know I've been the fisher. Blow the pistol just like it's a whistle. Pull that nigga out and let you kiss her. I get money, it helps my mental. 12 whips, the slide in a rental. Same nigga on it off Insta. Two-tone F and came with mister. Still gang banging with you niggas. Yellow diamonds on me going crazy like a mean. They call me Glock and I make you feel it. Chillin' with Scott tryna make another mean. I'm rich as fuck, still gon' take niggas. Pack a heat, but not cause it December. Boy, when the traffic, all guns automatic. Just let her off slide, I'ma shoot out the one. Got some little bitch, she put shit in the blunt. Then after that, I go buy her a venom. Heard the boy die for the pussy, he tell me. I been to go get her, I use the setbacks out the room. He talking too much, had to kill him. Inside of my cookie like that. Bitch, I'm the man on my side like a flip, but I walk in the mall with the rack in my down. Had to stop popping them bars, I was going through hop, I been added to boost the momentum. Gotta get high, too much shit on my milk. I'm in the world, they fight like a kiln. Youngest on go, they just play with my son. Better make skin again, make sure they good. My bitch, you feel like that college Jenna. I hop on the beat, walk it down with a real deal. That's too easy, I'm making me jump. I was born this shit, so I'm not a beginner. Go to the levels, I know I'm just tryna hop out for chopper like you ain't have now I'm back on the road, I'm the gym and the kill. We call pray, but the bell, they kill. Now I'm behind, cause he laid on the pill. I ain't sending no burning, they find my zip.
Cuban on in this pissy. Rock big blue stones like I'm Nipsey. I'm pop champagne till I'm tipsy. Still be spinning M's in my 60s. Please don't try to walk cause it's risky. Ain't no mystery in my history. Had to turn that boy into a switchy. With that switchy, shoot till it's empty. Rich just did a 360. Run like Zion before the injury. I ain't broke, you can't fix me. Having power, feeling like 50. East side of the city where this shit can get really sticky. Anybody can get it, man. My bullets ain't really picky. Yellow coupe with a yellow bone, with my Jacob bone, with the yellow stones. White stones with my Flintstones, came a long way from a herringbone. All started from a minute phone, now I ran it up in my money loan. Had to take a chance for 200 bands, cause my country boy had a trailer.
Tool on my side just like by the bill. Hop on the beat and I flow like a river. Reach for these rocks, they get popped like a jigger. Put a hole in his space like a dimple. Middle fingers up yet to the system. If you don't know me, just call me mister. Blue diamonds, it look like a blister. I'm a strike, you know I've been the bishop. Blow the pistol just like it's a whistle. Put that nigga out and let you kiss her. I get money, it helps my mental. 12 whips, this slide in a rental. Same nigga on it, off Insta. Two-tone F and came with mister. Still gang banging with you niggas. Yellow diamonds on me going crazy like a mean. They call me Glock and I make you feel it. Chillin' with Scott tryna make another million. I'm rich as fuck, still don't take niggas.
Pack a heat, but not cause it December. Swerving the traffic, all guns automatic. Just let her off slide, I'ma shoot out the one. Got some little bitch, she put shit in the blunt. Then after that, I go buy her a venom. Heard the boy die for the pussy, he tell me. I been to go get her, I use the setbacks out the room. Toe tag, he talking too much, had to kill him. Walk on, inside of my cup is my lip. Bitch on the man on my side like I'm flipper. I walk in the mall with them racks in my down. Had to stop popping them bars, I was going through hop, I added to boost the momentum. Gotta get high, too much shit on my mills. I'm everywhere, they fight like a kiln. Youngest on go, they play when I see them. Double back spin again, make sure they kill them. My bitch, you bad like her, that college Jenna. I hop on the beat, walk it down with a real. They rapping shit easy, I make it look simple. I was born in this shit, so I'm not a beginner. Pray to the Lord, cause I know I'm a sinner. Hop out for chopper like we round spin. Now I'm back on the road on the sprinter with killers. We pop perk back the bed like they killed us. Now I'm a R cause he laid on the pill. I ain't sending, I'm burning, they find my zip. Toe tag.
Cuban on in this pissy. Rock big blue stones like I'm Nipsey. I pop champagne till I'm tipsy. Still be spinning M's in my 60s. Please don't try to walk cause it's risky. Ain't no mystery in my history. Had to turn that boy into a switchy. With that switchy, shoot till it's empty. Rich just did a 360. Ball like Zion before the injury. I ain't broke, you can't fix me. Having power, feeling like it. East side of the city where this shit can get really sticky. Anybody can get it, man. My bullets ain't really picky. With a yellow bone, with my Jacob bone, with the yellow stones. White stones, with my Flintstones. Came a long way from a herringbone. All started from a minute phone, now I ran it up in my money long. Had to take a chance for 200 bands, cause my country boy had a trailer.
sweat. It's no test, over lives like I'm seen as the best. Who wanna try? Defines me. Tell my mic up. Let's do it. Right. Show the cats how we do this here, nigga. Freedom or death.